Welcome to Wicked World ScareGrounds down here in Nicholasville, Kentucky, just south of Lexington. They've got 3 unique haunted attractions here. They've got the Nightmare House, that's their main indoor haunt. After that is the Hunted, that's their zombie laser tag, which is super interactive. And last but not least is their haunted trail, and that is Valley of the Dead. You never know what's gonna go bump in the night out there, but the best part is we're gonna take you inside with us through all 3 of them. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh, I like it. Maybe not.
Welcome to Johnson Cemetery. I have holes for you in the back, and I'm assure you we can arrange your burial. Come on, don't you want to play with the devil, Nora? Yeah, I actually do. Ready? You've got visitors.
It's a fish roll.
Screaming for the bush.
Oh, look at all the death. Oh, you're alive.
And I've been waiting for you all night. Come on. What do you mean? What do I have?
What's under there?
What are you doing? Ow! Just do out of her crotch.
I think she just
What did I just do?
I think she just cursed us.
You guys forever and ever, just like me.
I don't know. I don't know.
I have an arm and a leg for you.
Nope. You gotta keep them.
Maybe you
Nope,
do.
I'm good. I've got an arm and a leg. I'm gonna keep
The
them.
pot is right there.
I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep them.
Why?
I'm using them.
I'll use them before you.
That's very
But
unfortunate.
I'm using them right now.
Here, let me take them.
Nope.
Why not? I'm not using them.
Oh. Oh.
Oh shit.
Got a case of face shot.
Did y'all even notice the lady was
No.
looking at me?
That was a trap.
These ladies are so happy to see us.
You want a trick?
No. Bad choice.
Bad choice, yeah!
Oh, wall.
Come on, you doing treat next time.
It is very foggy.
Please, right this way.
Jesus Christ!
Customers, please come in, come in. Hi, Nora.
Having fun with them.
Oh, we're having a ball.
Oh, goody.
It's been in too long. Oh, God.
This way, down here.
He's gonna.
This way.
Oh, you're gonna make my heart melt.
I hope so. That's my job.
Oh, God.
I noticed.
Oh, no. No.
Carve you up like a Thanksgiving turkey.
No.
We haven't made it to Turkey Day yet.
Arm is meat.
No. Oh, what's this body bouncing off the wall? That's all.
No big deal.
Business as usual.
He's nervous.
Lord.
That one's half off.
Nora, they want to keep you here.
Oh, no, no. Hello.
Let's get you all in minute now. Get off to your room.
Oh, the extras have been sealed. Oh! No.
You didn't make it.
Oh, God.
I'm the nurse to welcome new patients inside. I can't wait to have fun with each and every one of you. Don't worry, it's only $25,000.
I'm worried.
The doctor's somewhere. The doctor's somewhere. Possibly a bit.
Oh!
Hi again. She loves the folks like you and turns
kinds of wicked.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah, this is awesome. Be careful. Little wicked, little wicked.
Oh, Nora! Oh, yes, you did! Yeah, you did! No, I'm not! I'm not being back to the Gators, but I still will feed you to Sarah. I get a move on now!
I'm trying.
Don't want to lose your head or something?
No, that's for sure. Amy?
What?
Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, she's been here.
After you.
Time to go.
Time to go. Time to go.
We're gonna move on now.
Oh, yeah.
You smell lovely tonight, darling. I'd love to shove you in New Orleans for a few days.
I don't think it's that
Well, it is.
Can I stuff you in my boiler?
No, that's pretty serious.
Why? That's not very nice.
No.
It's warm.
It is very warm.
It says it's
Warmer than outside.
Oh, I don't like it.
Joey's got the pure.
How dare you want my friend?
No.
I've been for a long, long time. Look there, you gotta go swinging from your head, and no, you're gonna look there, you're gonna look all of your toes ripped off. Practically.
Oh, your toes ripped off.
Now it'd be an honor and a pleasure to have everything. Looks like you had a pretty good run-in with someone. Look at the art on the wall, that's what you love. Come on now.
That one was the Nightmare House. Let us know what you thought about that one. Up next is the Hunted. That is the zombie laser tag experience.
Hey Noah. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yep.
We've got this. Is this a cure or an antidote?
Oh, that's one of the viruses.
That's the E virus.
Or would you like me to end the world tonight?
It's debatable. Let's wait until we get out.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Don't look on your left! On your left! Hey! Stand back! Stand back!
Got him. Oh, they're coming out of the walls. Oh God. Hey, hey. It's a fast one.
Trust that one.
Double tap. Everyone get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back the virus! Get back the virus! Oh God! Oh no! Get back! No!
Holy shit!
Oh my God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh! Got him!
I see you.
Coming up behind! Coming up behind! They're beating down the walls! Oh my! I think there's one behind me! Hold on! Oh, good God! He's coming out of the walls! Wow! Oh, you can't trust him. You can't trust him!
Oh God, this is real.
No!
Oh my God. It's still working. Oh God.
Oh, you made it out alive. Are you bit? Are you bit?
No.
Are you bit?
No, we still got the virus though. All right, so that one was the hunted, very, very intense. Let us know what you thought. Last but not least, we have the haunted trail called Valley of the Dead.
Pardon me if this is overdone. You do have a bit of arachnophobia, correct? I suppose we can customize your arrangements just a little bit.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. He's ringing him in. Ooh, I think he may have alerted the spiders.
Oh! Your
So
head.
that's everything you need for the rest of your life.
Are you okay?
Thank you, Cornelius.
Oh.
I do hope for if you make it out.
Welcome to the Hotel Belladonna. Inside, it is wonderful to have a lively group of guests.
Hi.
Hopefully y'all stick around longer than the last one. We're gonna try. Well, please, get on and going now.
Okay.
Say hi to the guests for me.
We shall.
And enjoy your stay.
I don't think.
I can't wait to harvest your pretty little faces one by one. Have fun inside the boiler, Nora.
The boiler.
Why are you guys always trying to kill me?
I don't think this place has had housekeeping in a while. I feel like. It's just that.
I'll slit your throats! Paint my walls red with your blood!
People in my blood right now, thank you.
Oh, not again. I can't go back.
What are you in for, mate?
Nothing this time.
Oh, well, that ain't true, I know. I see the guilt in your eyes. You're a criminal.
Look up there. They're hanging somebody.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like,
She lost the last game?
You can join her
Oh, no.
she got the trivia question wrong.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Watch your head!
Best of luck.
You look like you've seen a ghost.
Oh!
In the market for a new hole. 7x2 solid pine. They are custom made.
Customized, yeah. Can we put one on? Can we put one?
Now.
Layaway.
Can we put one on layaway?
Sure.
There we go. Yeah.
I'm gonna say that clown right there looks kind of sketchy to me.
Sketch level's going up for sure.
Oh shit!
What the heck is that?
It's
It's an evil clown. No. That's a big no.
I don't
big
think he's
no.
okay.
Not just a no, but it's a big no. Oh wow!
Oh, God. Oh, she's moving the floor.
Right behind you, Trevor.
Oh, God.
He's gonna get you.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Hello.
Sounds like we got a welcoming up here. God bless it.
It's so nice to see you. We've been waiting all night. The ice cream truck made it. Oh, but it doesn't matter. I think I split a scoop of whatever's in that hat of yours. Are you guys going hello?
Did you miss me?
No.
Oh, why not?
I've never met you.
I yelled hello down the hallway. We shared a moment, didn't we? There you go. What about you?
This is we shared.
Yeah. Miss me so much?
Yeah.
There you go, good answer to you.
Oh, yes.
Yeah? You two in the back?
Hi.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, big guy.
Did you bring me the clown? Where's my clown at?
He's back here in the previous room.
You're lying to me!
No, he's in there.
You're protecting him, aren't you? There was nothing back there!
He's blending in. He's blending in with the walls. You gotta look harder.
Oh, I have a great idea! Oh, we're gonna cut out all the
Lindsay.
and do a drilling episode! It'll be so much fun!
Hey, Regan! You missed me?
I totally missed
There you go, that's a good answer. What about you? You missed me, right? Yes? No, I don't feel the emotion! There you go, I'm feeling it now. We got more times, that's what I got them all. Did you bring your tickets? No.
Yeah.
I guess I'll have to cut your throat out with some spiders down inside. They're pregnant. Just made it hard to make the poison come out. You're so small. Spiders? Stick your throat.
You're so
Hurry up,
small.
on you know they're like rays.
Oh, he's coming with us.
So are you all asleep?
Uh-oh.
Make
Yeah.
sure you come back to my show. I'll pull you out of your bed.
We don't talk about voodoo in this house today. Oh, you don't?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Well, you know, Mama Juju and I have been fighting for many
Mama Juju.
moons these days, and I have sent her down to the depths of hell where she belongs.
Well, that's not very nice.
My hellhounds are feasting on her.
Oh, we liked Mama
All
Juju.
the hounds were
Well, you
hungry.
know,
What would you
I'm a
do?
black magic enchantress.
Well, I
the best
understand.
bounty hunter head goes right there next to my Wendigo head
Oh,
that
hello.
I
Bad.
found.
Oh,
Imagine.
she's conquered the Wendigo.
I think they're conjuring something.
Definitely conquered something.
It kind of feels like they
Sneaking
are.
in behind us.
Yeah, snuck right out of the corner.
Oh no.
Don't inhale.
I don't like it. I can't see anything.
Me neither.
Hold me.
I can't hold you. I'm ready to move. Oh, what's that?
Spiders.
Okay, it's okay.
Now we're in the spider's lair.
Holy hell.
What's
Oh,
this that? Oh,
oh no. It's something bad.
Oh.
this is some bad juju going on now. I want one of these places to have a pumpkin head.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I did not think he was
funny.
real.
Oh, God.
I just peed a little. Me? Oh, it's slippery.
Oh, my.
Careful,
Last
Joe.
you are quite filling it now.
Holy shit!
Oh, my. Time to go. Time to go.
Can't go no faster. Oh, great.
Got a model out there. It's got some miles on it, but ain't got no gas in it.
You ain't got no gas.
Ain't got no gas in it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Okay. That's gotta be a warning. No, it's a warning.
Oh, we letting somebody know
that's the one.
something.
That's the car right there. It ain't got no gas in it.
go very far.
We need an Earl to give us a pump and go here.
That's rough right there, boys.
Earl, we're gonna need some gas.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Don't like my car. I don't want that car.
All right, guys. Well, that concludes all 3 haunts here at Wicked World ScareGrounds. Once again, let us know what you thought. If you're ready for the next Kentucky Haunted House, I've got a link for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.